Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can set up your Face ID in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. So you have to just follow some steps to add your Face ID in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. Simply just have to just select your settings of your iPhone and just go to General section and just go to the about section, sorry, software update, and make sure that you just be using the updated version of your iOS, maybe your iPad. So just scroll down and just go to the transfer reset iPhone and just go to reset and just tap on reset network settings. After simply just doing that setting, just go back again back and just scroll down and see there is an option of face ID and passcode. Just tap on that and just type a password of your iPhone and just go to that interface and you see there is an option reset face id. So when you just set up your face id, it's showing that add face id, so you just simply add a face id and they can recognize your face and add face id in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. So that's the setting you have to make sure to add face id in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.